Incarcerated senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Shah, has urged the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take cognizance of grave situation prevailing in the occupied Kashmir. Shabbir Shah, in his message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, termed the prevailing situation as extremely critical, where arbitrary detentions, harassment by the Indian forces, and snatching of the local rights of the people by the puppet regime have become routine matter. Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has been bleeding for over 7 decades due to India's intransigence, said a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service. It said New Delhi's rigid and unrealistic approach has turned the Kashmir dispute into a nuclear flashpoint. The report deplored that the Modi-led fascist Indian government is forcibly denying Kashmiris from exercising their right to self-determination. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that when National Conference comes to power, it will roll back all the anti-people steps. National Conference leader Ratanlal Gupta, interacting with the party leaders in Jammu, said the policies of the occupation authorities have multiplied the miseries of the people of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. An anti-India protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad today to draw the attention of the international community towards the Indian brutalities in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The demonstration was organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir on the completion of 1300 days to Modi government's illegal unilateral actions of repealing the special status on August 5, 2019. Modi regime has suspended a teacher, Jugender Singh, from his service in Ramban district for criticizing anti-Kashmir policy of the Modi regime. Goats and a bull were cheered to death in a mysterious fire in cattle shed overnight in Mender area of Poonch district in Jammu region.